The transport area includes basic playback and looping control buttons, along with frequently used tag controls and audio metering. Turning the power off fades the main player output to black. The rewind and fast forward buttons skip up and down the playlist respectively. Engaging loop video will loop the currently playing video indefinitely. Conversely, engaging the loop collection folder will force playback to remain in the currently selected video collection. Engage the Jump to Branding folder button to instantly start playing media from the folder setup in Preferences that contains your branding and logo animations. In Preferences, you can also set up your logo animations to automatically play at specific intervals during your performance for hands-off synchronized branding. Click the Heart button to add the currently playing video to your favorites list. Click the Do Not Play button when you never want to see the currently played video again. Don't worry, the file is not deleted and can be retrieved later. This feature is just a quick way to remove files that do not fit your taste. Engage the Stream button to begin streaming audio and video to social media platforms using settings you made under the Streaming tab in Preferences. Use the slider on the meter to adjust the master audio output level. Click the Audio button to find all other audio settings in Preferences.